The objectives of this, we're going to be looking through establishing another penny stock play. We're going to look at the latest news for Cciv, and finally, we're going to look at another penny stock play that has massive upside potential, has run up a bit, but could run up even further. We're going to go through these objectives, and all I ask in return is to hit the like button on this video to help out and smash that notification bell. Let me know if you've joined the notification army in the comment section down below. Let's get right into the information. I've got to say, I'm not a financial advisor, but I am a business teacher, but I'm no expert on the stock market. Let's go into this information today. So first of all, we've got a penny stock play that is a penny stock that's a Bitcoin mining one, right? So this is a growing industry. This is a booming industry that could have a lot of upside potential. And you can see here, you've got Bitcoin mining plays are an intricate part in the Bitcoin blockchain system. Absolutely. And we're going to look into this penny stock play. So first of all, we've got some due diligence, some interesting thoughts on Reddit here about comparing the market cap to a different Bitcoin mining play to what these ones do as well. So we've got MGTI, ticker symbol MGTI. Now, the market cap and the reported revenues, you've got 89.7 million market cap, reported revenues of 1.3 million, okay? For the market cap of Mara, it's 4.09 billion, with a reported revenue increase to 1.19 million. So this is saying that actually MGTI is incredibly undervalued compared to its other counterparts in the Bitcoin mining industry. This is one of these stocks that is incredibly undervalued in relation to being a penny stock and being in the Bitcoin mining space. Now, where do they have their facilities? So MGTI, ticker symbol MGTI, they have the facilities in a range of areas here. They've got first began mining Bitcoin in September 2016 in Washington State. It's opened an additional mining facility in northern Sweden to support its growth agenda with the promise of decreasing cooling costs and cheap, abundant electricity. At the end of Q3 2018, in response to the underperformance of MGT's Swedish facilities, management shifted its principal operations to North America. In 2018 and early 2019, management located a new mining facility, and they're building up other mining facilities as well. So they've got a Bitcoin miner with operations at owned facility in Georgia, and the company owns 1,500 new generation Bitmain miner generating approximately that figure there. Moving into this, MGTI, we're going to look at this. So it's at 0.19. Okay. This is a hot industry, and as Bitcoin does go up, as the cryptocurrency goes up, a lot of these Bitcoin mining players are doing incredibly well. But this one is the one that's going unknown. Not many people know about this one, so it's got a lot of potential, right? And it's very undervalued. So I would consider getting into this play again. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, but it's got a lot of potential to try and run up for that double up at least, right? Let's go to the positives. It's undervalued, we know that, it's undervalued, and it's in a growing industry, in the Bitcoin mining industry. The only concern is the management has come into question, okay? There's a bit of issues with the management and what's going on there. However, it is in a growing industry, it's looking to grow its revenues, and it's in the Bitcoin mining industry, and it's been very undervalued. So you got to weigh up the positives and the concerns. Remember to turn on the notification. Comment down below if you're part of the notification army. Okay, hit that notification bell. And for these daily briefings, we're going to do videos that are daily briefings now on the stock market, going through a range of bits of information in one singular video, in a short, compact one. Let's move on. Cciv news. So we're all waiting for this deal to go through. We're waiting for this merger to go through. Okay, with Lucid Motors, we're hoping that it does go through because the price has already run up massively, and rightfully so, but we're waiting anxiously for getting that merger to go through. So it's been rumoured to be taking Lucid Motors public for some time, okay? The upside of investing in Churchill at this point seems likely to be capped at around 20%. Now, but the thing is, if this merger goes through, okay, and it may just be a matter of time, It could be this week, it could be next week, it could be in a few weeks. But whenever it is, it's going to be massive, this company. Lucid Motors is going to be a massive company. It's going to be an absolute juggernaut. So we are just waiting for that merger news to come through, and I'll keep you updated on the stock market briefing on these videos. Okay, the next one we're talking about is Castor Maritime, ticker symbol CTRM. We covered this one on 16th of January. We covered this one here, and it's already gone and run up massively, but there is lots of news coming out about this company which shows its upside potential, right? So we covered it when it was 0.34, and if you was part of the notification army back then, you would have got first-hand information about this stock before the run-up, okay? But let's look at it now. Why are we looking at it now? Because of the recent news. So they've announced vessel acquisitions, okay? A diversified global shipping company announced that it's entered through a separate wholly subsidiary into agreement to purchase a 2010 Korean-built dry bulk vessel here, okay, at a purchase price of 14.8 million. So they're growing their vessels. They're growing as many vessels as they can get, and with that could mean growing revenue. So they're growing the company massively. This is big news for them, okay? It shows the growth potential of the company. Now, it's actually had a bit of a dip as well. So it's moved up from when I first suggested it, 0.34, okay? It's now at 1.21, but it's had a dip because its highs were at, 1.5, 1.6. Its 52-week high is 2.6, right? So it's moved down, okay, and it's starting to get to a potential buying opportunity en route for that double up. So as this dips, what you want to do is put it on your watch list, and as it dips, start to potentially buy in and try and get into that double up for ready for $2, $3, $4 and beyond, because this one could grow massively as they begin to get more vessels and build up their fleets. Again, another good point about CTRM is that investors are buying. Institutional investors are buying CTRM. Okay, they're loading up the boat with some shares here. You can see all these people, all these institutions loading up the boat with the shares. 418,000, 28,000, lots of different shares, 2.8 million. So they have a lot of shares in CTRM. They see the potential. We see the potential in terms of all the recent public news that's come out about the company. It's got a lot of potential. Now, onto the stock thought of the day, the bonus, right? Opportunities. Now, there is loads of opportunities in the stock market, and don't worry if you miss them. It's not good to look back and think, oh, I wish I got into this play. I wish I got into CCIV when I suggested it at $16. Don't worry about it. Opportunities, there is all sorts of opportunities in the stock market to get in early, run that up, and try to make some money. So don't worry, there'll always be opportunities in the future. And to obtain some of those opportunities, make sure to hit that notification bell. And I want to hear some comments down below if you've joined the notification army. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see everybody on the next stock market briefing.